The generic audio driver detected is an error message displayed by the Windows Troubleshooter when running into sound or audio issues. In this video, we are going to show you 4 ways on how to fix generic audio drive detected issue on Windows 10. You may see the generic audio driver detected error message when the audio services are disabled. So the first thing is to ensure that you have enabled audio services. Press the Windows key +R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Type in Services MSC and then click OK. In the Services window that opens, scroll down to locate Windows Audio and Windows Audio Endpoint Builder and check if their status is marked as running. If not, right-click on each one of them and select Start. Double-click on both services and ensure that the startup type is automatic. Click OK and then close the Services window. Check if the audio services are working correctly. Outdated audio driver can also cause errors with the audio services on your computer. Follow these simple steps to update the drivers. Still use the Windows key +R to open the Run dialog box. Type in DEM MSC and then click OK. In the Device Manager window, click on Sound, Video, and Game Controllers to expand it, and then select the outdated driver. Right-click on it and then select Update Driver. When the update is complete, restart the computer and hopefully the problem should be gone. If updating the audio drivers doesn't diagnose the generic audio driver detected issue, then try to reinstall the audio drivers. Below are the steps to reinstall the audio drivers. Click on the search icon on the taskbar and then type Device Manager. Click on the first match that appears. Select the driver in Device Manager, right-click on it and choose Uninstall Device. Do the same for all other faulty drivers. When the drivers are completely uninstalled, restart the PC. Now go back to Device Manager and right-click on the name of your PC at the top. Select Scan for hardware changes and wait for the drivers to be reinstalled. Audio enhancements are meant to improve the way sound cards work, but sometimes they can interfere with the proper function of the audio services, causing issues like this one. Here's how to turn them off. Click on the search icon on the taskbar and type in Control Panel. Search for sound in the Control Panel. Right-click on the default sound device in the Sound window and select Properties. In the Properties window that appears, click on the Enhancements tab, and then check the box marked Disable All Sound Effects. Click Apply, and now OK. Once the audio enhancements is disabled, then the generic audio driver problem should be resolved. So that's how to solve generic audio driver detected issue. During computer troubleshooting, you may encounter data loss every now and then. In this case, we are going to show you how to recover lost or deleted data with Tenorshare Data Recovery Tool. Tenorshare 4DDig is specialized in recovering any lost data from Windows, Mac, USB, SD card, external hard drive, digital camera, and more with 3 easy steps. To recover lost data from Windows, just download and install the program on your computer. Launch the program and select the location where you lost your files and then click Start to proceed. 4DDig will then scan the selected path to find lost data, and you can also run deep scan to dig out more lost files. After the scanning, you can choose files to preview, and then click Recover to save them to location which is different from the original path in case of permanent data loss in the future. This is all about how to fix generic audio driver detected issue. If you want to recover lost or deleted data from computer or external devices, just give it a shot to Tenorshare 4DDig. See you next time.